Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 4X, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the phone's dialer, and here let's use the following secret code: Asterix pound, Asterix pound, 64663 pound Asterix pound Asterix. As you can see, the engineering mode just pops up, so here you can use a few stuff. You can perform the automatic test and you can test all hardware features of your device. You can see the single item test. Let me tap it. Here, for example, you can test your receiver. Let me tap success. You can test your speaker, torch, camera and other stuff. Let's go back. Here you can also see the test report. You can also use the software and hardware version info, so here you can check out the IMEI number, hardware version and other stuff. You can also see the device view if you would like to. Alright, so that's it. If you would like to go back with engineering mode, let's use the back key. Now it's time to open the Android testing menu, so let's use Asterix pound 4636 pound Asterix. As you can see, the testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. So let's here tap the phone information, and here you can read the IMEI number, phone number, current network. You can run a ping test, or you can also use more key in order to view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, or get PDP list. Use back key again, and it's time to open the battery info. So here you can read the battery status, battery level, battery health, or even the battery temperature. Use back key one more time, and it's time to open the usage statistics. So here you've got the list of all apps from your device, and you can read the last time used or usage time. That's it. Use the back key one more time and check out Wi-Fi information. Here you can use the Wi-Fi API. It's really important because here you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network. You may also get configure networks or get connection info. Use back key again. And now let's use the Wi-Fi config. So here you've got configured networks of your device if you would like to use them, or you can see the Wi-Fi status. So here you can refresh all stats or run a ping test. Use back key one more time, and as you can see, here you can also use the usage statistics if you would like to do it again, or you can also go back. And it's time to open the testing menu. So let me use Asterix pound 225 pound Asterix. As you can see, here you've got the calendar info. You can read a few information about your calendar. You can also go back, and here you can enter the debug UI. So let's use Asterix pound 759 pound Asterix. And the debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs, or you can change OEM mode and read other stuff as well. Use back key one more time. And it's time to enter the Google Play service. So let's use Asterix pound 426 pound Asterix. And the Google Play services just pops up. This is FCM diagnostics. You can also use this advanced view if you would like to. Alright. At the end, let me show you how to check the IMEI number by using secret code. So let's use Asterix pound 06 pound. As you can see, the IMEI number just pops up in front of you. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.